Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry Concepts. In this video, we will know more about a mole, what makes one mole, and also we will cover the topic Avogadro number. For more, please join us in our class. Before starting this video, let's have a quick recap of previous lecture. In the previous lecture, I taught you about what makes one mole regarding mass, and I hope the concept is now clear to you. As you can see in this picture, it's 1 mole in regarding to mass is gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Now in this video we will know how many particles make 1 mole, or we can say that we will discuss mole concept in regarding to number of particle atom presence. We can say that moles can be, now in this video we will express the mole in terms of number of particles, that is number of atoms or molecule present in the substance. So before moving ahead, let's have a glass of water. You can also have a glass of water, but you know that I love my chemistry unit, so I will take 1 mole of water. Do you help me in this? How many grams of water is required to make it 1 mole? Yes, right. The answer will be 18. 18 grams of water is required to make 1 mole. How come 18? The molecular mass of H2O is 18. That is 16 plus 2 molecules of H2. 16 is of oxygen and hydrogen. 1 into 1 plus 1, that is 2. So there will be 18 grams of water is required to make 1 mole. Before proceeding, let me remind you, I gave you a question in my previous video. Do you remember? I hope you have solved the question. If not, let's solve it. See, the question is on my board. It's how many grams of copper sulfate makes 2 moles? For the solution, we have to know that how many grams molecular mass of copper sulfate will be there in 1 mole of copper sulfate. So we can write that 1 mole of copper sulfate is equal to gram molecular mass of copper sulfate, and the gram molecular mass of copper sulfate can be calculated as the molecular mass of copper sulfate will be 63.5, that is the mass of copper, then we add 32, the mass of sulfur, then we add 4 times 16, that is 4 O atoms, that is 4 times 16, the mass of oxygen atom. It will comes out 159.5 grams. So we can say that if we collect 159.5 grams of copper sulfate, it will make 1 mole of copper sulfate. And how many mole is required? In the question, the requirement is of 2 moles. So what you will do? You will multiply it by 2. By doubling this number, we will get 319, that is 319 grams. So if you collect 319 grams of copper sulfate, you will get 2 moles. I hope you understand the question. So let us proceed to our next part of the video. Now I am very much confident that you understood the concept very much clearly, right? So we can say that 1 mole of carbon can be 12 grams of carbon, 1 mole of nitrogen can be 14 grams of nitrogen, 1 mole of N2 molecule will be 28 grams of N2 molecules, 1 mole of NaCl molecule will be 58.4 grams of NaCl molecule, and 1 mole of H2O molecule will be 18 grams of H2O molecules. Now do it by yourself. 1 mole of silver is equal to how many grams? Yes, very good. It will be 107.8 gram. It's a gram atomic unit of silver. Well done. Now I'm giving you a very difficult task. Just collect the 107 grams of silver in this vessel, and your task is count the number of silver atom in 107.8 grams of silver. Just start counting. I can help you in this. Let's start counting. 1 silver atom, another silver atom, third silver atom, 4 silver atom, 5 silver atom, 6 silver atom, 7 silver atom, 8, 9, 10, 11. Likewise, there will be many number of silver atoms will be present in 107.8 grams of Ag. And if you count, it is almost impossible to count for you guys, and I'm tired of counting. Do you want to know how many atoms of Ag is present in 107.8 grams? It's a very long number. Okay, I'm showing you the number. I have calculated it. Well, the number is 602,200,000,000,000,000,000,000 and 000. Oh God, such a long number. Exactly this number of carbon atom is present in 1 mole of Ag. Do you know how can we write this number in smaller way or simpler way? It is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. And this is a very special number. Very special number. By the way, don't give me credit of counting these numbers. I didn't count that. The great job was done by a great man. Do you know who is? I'll tell you. His name is Lorenzo Romano Amedeo Carlo Avogadro. Mr. Avogadro found that 1 mole of any substance will be collection of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 elementary particles, whether it will be mole, atoms, compounds. Now, we know that this number is a special number, and this special number is called Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Now, take 1 mole of sodium chloride, and you know that 1 mole of sodium chloride is equal to 58.44 gram of sodium chloride, taking separately in a vessel. Now, you can count the number of NaCl molecule present in this sample. It comes out to be 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of NaCl. Exactly, this is the Avogadro number. Now we know that whatever the sample will be, 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 elementary particles, that is atoms or molecule. As mentioned in the board, 1 mole of H2 molecule will equal to 2 gram, and it will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of H2. These are H2 molecules. Now come to second example. 1 mole of Cl atom will be 35 gram of Cl atom, and the number of Cl atom present will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Let's move to the another example. This time it's not a Cl, it's a Cl2. It's a molecule. The 1 mole of Cl2 will be 70 gram. It means it will contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 Cl2 molecule. So we can conclude that 1 mole of anything, 1 mole of any molecule or atom contain 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, whether it is atoms or molecules. So it's a constant. This constant is known as Avogadro constant. Since this number is constant in every sample of 1 mole, it is therefore said to be Avogadro constant. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles make 1 mole. Or we can write in this way also, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 per mole, or we can write in this way or this way. This all represents Avogadro constant. I hope the mole concept is very clear to you now. In upcoming video, we will discuss the 1 mole regarding the volume of the sample. What volume of the sample makes 1 mole? If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification time by time. See you in other video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you in my next class. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.